Girl, this foundation is so good. Hey loves, so today we're going to play with some new makeup as well as some old makeup. I'm kind of going to shop my stash a little bit, but also try out some new stuff because I know you guys really wanted to see the new AOA stuff. We will do a full Shop Miss A tutorial soon. I had a look kind of in mind. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a dark look or a pastel look because there was like 2 looks I've been thinking about doing, and you guys chose dark, so that's gonna be fun. Hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this and then I'll start rambling as I do my makeup. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. We do fashion, we do beauty, we do food videos, like vegan food videos and stuff like that, wellness. And as always, let me know what you guys love seeing and what you want to see down below. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I've got a little bit of allergies, so don't judge my raspiness. Hopefully this goes well. In my last video, you guys said I seemed sad. I think I just feel I haven't left my house and that's hard, but now I have allergies, so even when I want some fresh air, like I end up feeling like crap the next day. So it's like, even if I go outside, I feel like poop. Anyway, we're gonna start just working on this. Sorry, that started this on a really somber note. I didn't mean to do that. Someone said they thought I looked high. Thanks. No, it's called anxiety and not leaving your house for a very long time. So anyway, I'm going to start putting stuff on my face. I know you guys are probably in the same boat I am. So we're going to try the Perfect Filter Face Primer from Shop Miss A. This guy is $1.55. Crazy good deals. I did just moisturize my face with this little elf guy. So many of you guys want a makeup collection. And if you could see what this room, there are boxes of clothing. There are boxes and bags of makeup. Like, it's a mess. I mean, what better time, but I haven't felt motivated and it's hard to want to do it. I'm sure at some point, I'm just gonna start putting this on. It smells really nice. It kind of just feels like a lotion. I'm sure at some point in all of this I will. I just ordered a rolling rack though to start organizing the clothing that I'm going to sell on Poshmark. Like you can really feel it. I don't want to say it feels greasy, but maybe a little bit. Opened my foundation drawer and just grabbed a foundation that I know I used to love. I'm wondering if this is going to be a little too light. I have a tiny bit of self-tanner left, but we're just going to go with it. So LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. I loved this when I tried it the first time, so I guess we'll see. I feel like it oxidized though, so I can't remember. Oh, I didn't wet my sponge. Should we use a brush today? I'm going to go wet my sponge. Can't do it. How did I do that? Thankfully, this is like super thick because I definitely just touched my hair. What's up, butthole ears? They're getting smaller. So I'm just going to pat this all over. If we need to make it a little darker, that coverage though, dang. I think I'm gonna put just the tiniest bit of this Rude Cosmetics foundation in with it, maybe? Yeah, we're just gonna do that because it's definitely a little bit darker. I still really like this foundation. I remember I liked the Rude one quite a bit too, but this is, from what I remember, one of my favorite foundations. I haven't used it in quite a while, but I still, just upon first application, like putting on again, I really do like it. Yes, LA girl. Okay, for concealer, I think we're gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I love this. I love it a lot. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and prime the eyes with this one as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. Ooh, girl, this foundation is so good. I guess we'll use this because it's sitting right here. Why not? This is the AOA Perfect. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. This one is in Chesnut. Obviously, this is a face powder, but obviously as well, this is not my face powder shade, but it works great as a contour. It's a little dark, but I like a bold contour. So we're just gonna put this on. Yeah, I still really love this. I can't believe Adalda. All right, we're gonna try that new brow gel from AOA. I haven't used it on my brows yet. When I closed it, I just pushed all the air out of it. I don't know why. I'm just going to take a tiny bit, put it on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna use the brush that I purchased from them as well. This is the E114. I love this brush for many different things, but it's great for brows. I feel like this is helping. I feel like sitting down and getting ready is just like helping my morale because I feel like I've just edited. I pre-filmed so much the 2 weeks before last week that this last week all I did was edit. So I have not put on makeup in over a week, which is crazy for me. I'm gonna start towards the end. Ooh, because she pigmented. I'll definitely go back in and clean it up because this is quite a big brush. So it's hard to be super precise, but it also gets the job done really quickly. That is a bold brow. It's a bold brow. I should have gone lighter in the front. All right, so those are some really bold brows, but I think it'll be okay. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of the AOA concealer. I really like this one. It's kind of a medium coverage. It's not my favorite in the world, but it is good, especially for the price. I love using this brush to clean up my brows too. I feel like this video is gonna be so long, guys. But tell me how you are. How are you guys doing? How are you handling this? How are you staying home? Are you an essential worker? Like, I hope that if you're not an essential worker, that you are staying home. You gotta keep people safe. Keep yourself safe. Ooh, she needs to pluck her brows, girl. It's been rough here. Shouldn't laugh. I'm gonna mess up my, what am I saying? So I want to do a dark glittery smoky eye. We're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I've been using this a little bit. At first I thought the red shades were giving me an allergic reaction. You got my butt. Now I'm not sure. I don't think they are. I think it was an eye cream I used. I don't know. Who knows? Let's start with Perfectionist, which is this one right here. And then I think after that, we're gonna go into Homebody, which is this guy right here. It's gonna be like a warm, glittery, smoky eye, pretty basic, but I'm still excited about it. I'm just gonna buff that all across from outer corner to inner corner in the crease. All right, I'm gonna go with a smaller brush and we're gonna go into Homebody, which is this guy right here. And a boop, 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 boop. And a boop, 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 boop. Anyone else losing their mind? Just me? Cool. I'm just kind of focusing on the outer corner and probably the inner corner. I'm just going to take a mixture of those two shades that we just used and put them on the lower lash line. I'm just going in with this smaller brush and intensifying the halo effect. I'm wondering, I'm going to go in with the black in the palette. So we'll see. This is the black, which is Temptress. I think I'm going to start with this like medium kind of tapered floofer. I'm going to start on this outer corner and just slowly, and then I'm going to take this outer corner, just deepen things up very slowly. Black is fire though, I can tell you that. Holy crap, it's dark. I'm taking a little bit of Certified, which is the matte cream shade, and I'm just popping that on the brow bone. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Looking pretty crazy. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with my glitter and then decide if I need to deepen anything up. Obviously we still need to deepen up the lower lash line. This is the glitter that I was planning to use. I don't know if we want to use both of these. I have Black Magic little tiny glitters. They're super small, but I think they're worth it. I actually really like these now. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know what the point of doing that whole halo when I just put it all over the lid, but that's fine. That's fine. take a little bit, I think it's Disco Queen, and I'm just going to put it on the center of my lid. It actually is working really well on a flat brush, just taking it off the applicator, if you guys can see that, and putting it on there. Oh, this might be a mistake. The camera turned off, but that's what it looks like. I don't know, we'll see. Let's let it dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do a winged liner. Visions formula again, bummer, but we still got it. I think I need a different liner. This one is not cutting it. Just kidding, we're going in with the big guns. This is the Revolution Renaissance Flick, my favorite one for when I have glitter on my lid. We're gonna use the Ciate Black Gel Liner. Sorry, so hard to fill. Just trust me guys, it's going down there. So we're just gonna use this little highlight, the Powlighter in Astro, one of my absolute favorites from Shan. I'm actually gonna spritz my brush with Hyaluronic Fix from Revolution. Oh, okay, yeah, this is good. Like, forget how insane this is. Look at that. Oh, yes, queen. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm going to attempt these. Maybe we should try one on. Should we try one on? Oh yeah, today's the day. Let's do it. Let's try. I'm at least gonna give it a go. Okay, so I'm gonna pop those on. I'll be right back. All right, here's what we are looking at. Oh my goodness, lashes and liner just make everything so much better. This is so intense. These lashes are kind of, not heavy, but kind of heavy. Oh my goodness. Okay, I cannot wait to put on blush and highlight. We're probably just gonna do a nude lip because I'm boring. And with this much of an eye, girl, that's a lot. That's a lot. We'll do a bright lip with the pastel look next time. I promise. I promise. Promise. Pinky promise. Promise. So what I was saying before I got distracted, so these nails are finally growing out. My nails be growing pretty slowly lately, which I'm kind of concerned with. But I got a whole bunch of stuff to try and do my own nails. So I might film that because it might be really funny, honestly. Let's use this little Wander Beauty palette. What I think is weird is like those are really small. Those are really, but it's fine. I think we're gonna use Tuscan Sunrise right here. Actually, I think I'm gonna mix those two, Havana Nights and Tuscan Sunrise. Ooh, that was a lot of blush. We're just gonna go with it. Too late now. I'm gonna go in with that same Shop Miss A highlighter that we used on the inner corner in Astro. Spread some my brush. Yes. I'm just gonna use what is on the lid. This one you have to go real slow with because it's super intense. So I usually pop it down in one place, pop it down, pop it down, pop it down, and then go back and blend. We're gonna go back with our blush brush. We're gonna blend it onto the apples of my cheeks. And I'm gonna go back with my sponge. I'm gonna use Oh Snap from Colourpop, which I don't think is even available anymore because I'm a turd. We're gonna do Chauffeur and we're gonna definitely lighten it because I want a super light nude. Chauffeur from Revolution, this is the rose gold one. I don't think they make this exact version anymore, but they have multiple versions of Chauffeur. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and just tap it. Wow, that's a really, that lip is nuder than I meant for it to be. I feel like we're like rocking, like what year was it where everyone was like Smokey Eye nude lip? That'll be good. Oh god, this smells so good. This is Salted Caramel from Revolution. Love, love, love these. Okay, that's a little better. All right, love, so this is the completed look. Pretty ridiculous for me to, but it's fine. Sometimes you just need to put on a full face of glam when you're stuck inside your house. You know what I'm saying? I'll have to go take a couple selfies or something. I don't know, but I felt nice to like actually get ready to actually put makeup on my face. Get ready for what? I don't know. I'm just gonna go make some lunch and hang out with my cats watch some probably terrible reality TV on Hulu. Let me know your suggestions of what I should be watching. Also, let me know what you guys want to see next. What kind of look you want to see next. We'll probably go pastel next, and then after that, I don't know. But this was fun. I actually really like this look. I feel like this would be so fun for like a night out when that time comes again. You know, I just keep doing this. I'm sorry. All right, well, I hope you guys are good. I hope things are going okay for you. I hope you are staying strong and safe and healthy, and just know that I love you. Feel free to comment on anything at any time. I try and respond to every single comment that I can. Just, you know, it's hard. I feel like a lot of people feel pretty alone right now. Hopefully most of you are quarantined with someone in your family or significant other or something like that. It's rough. I'm very thankful for my cats right now and my friends that I can Snapchat and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this. A lot of you guys have said that YouTube creators keeping going with their regular schedules has really helped you guys feel a little bit more normal. It is really hard sometimes to sit down and just, you know, go about my business and do things like I normally would, because the world feels so scary right now. But, you know, I'm just going to keep pushing, and I think it's, you know, it's what's best for me. It's what's best for you guys. So I'm just going to keep going. So let me know any type of content you guys want. I've gotten more requests for food videos than lately. I did just put up a vegan snack taste test with a couple of my friends that we filmed a few weeks ago. If you guys want to check that out, I will try and remember to link it down below. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, stay healthy. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and more. Wait, what? No. Oh, there would be a package right now. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Let's go to my boot in. I just knocked this down and caught it in my lap. Thick thighs save lives. We're just playing. We're just getting Shannon out of her bedroom. I almost like it better without it. But too late now. Too late now. I'm losing it. It's gone. I don't know what's happening.